Hi everyone, and welcome back to another keto recipe. I am calling this a creamy ground chicken and broccoli hot dish, and it serves 2 to 3 people. You will need 1 pound of the ground chicken, 1 bag of the frozen riced broccoli, cream cheese, plain pork rinds, pink salt, pepper, oregano flakes, and garlic powder, a fry pan with cover and spatula, and a small glass or metal cake pan. Let's preheat the oven to 400, and while that's preheating, let's cook up our ground chicken on the stove, adding heavily pink salt, light pepper, light oregano flakes, light garlic, and then we're going to cover this and turn it on a medium heat and just continue to break it up and continue to cook and mix. While that's cooking, let's heat up our riced broccoli in the microwave on either 5 to 6 minutes. And then once your chicken is all cooked up, let's drain out the liquid, and then we're going to put it back on the stove on a medium heat, adding the cooked riced broccoli, a half pack of the cream cheese, and we're going to keep mixing it around until the cheese is all melted and everything is mixed well. Then pour it into your small cake pan and flatten it down, and then add over 1 serving of the plain pork rinds, and over that add some light garlic powder and light Italian seasoning, that's oregano flakes. Pop it into the oven and cook for 8 minutes. Then pull it out, let it cool, and go ahead and serve up. I called it 2 servings. You could have made it 3, but there you see I've got 2 servings. And the entire pan was 10 net carbs, which means that plate right there is only 5 net carbs, and was absolutely delicious. Definitely give this a try and try out all of my recipes. And definitely keep your faith in God. Don't worry, and we will get through this crisis. We always do. God bless you all, and always remember to keep it keto.